didn't get the football?
I'm serious, Gabe.
Come on. Miss Dabney may be a mean, vicious, cruel, horrible, nasty old witch, but she'd never do something like that.
You don't believe me?
No.
Fine. Fine, I'll prove it. Come here, Gabe.
Hello?
Is Mr. Dabney home?
He can't come to the phone.
Interesting.
Who is this?
I'm some sort of salesman.
Gabe, is that you?
Why would you assume my name is Gabe?
Because I have caller ID.
Oh. Then yeah, it's Gabe.
She's cool under pressure, I'll give her that.
PJ, she's not a murderer.
I heard what I heard, Gabe. Why don't you believe me?
Because you're you. And you get things wrong.
What are you saying? That I'm dumb?
Well, no. You're just not very thinky.
Finky? Hey, why would you say something like that?
Because Mom said I can't call you dumb.